Alright guys, getting a late start. I've actually been up since 5 a.m. working. I don't really do a lot of recording me working normally because my work environment is not normally clean or aesthetically pleasing. So I ordered food in because I didn't want to go out. So I got pad thai. No, I got tom yum fried rice with shrimp. So that's what this is. So we're about to go in. I'll show it to you when I get in. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but this little tap thing for the door is super cute. Y'all, it smells like the soup. I'm assuming they take some of the soup sauce and pour it over the rice. Either way, I'm excited. Okay, so you guys know once I'm done eating, it's on to explore the city. So I'm hopping on a bike and we're just gonna explore a little bit. So I'm walking down the street, I noticed this market behind me, and y'all know I love a market. So we about to head over to the market to see what we could get for the day. All right, so I figured out why everything has that weird taste to it. Because they use stevia. It tastes like they use stevia. So hopefully they didn't use stevia in mine. Hopefully they use honey, we'll see. I'm not gonna drink it. Also, that really didn't make any sense. If I'm here looking for a vape and I only got a little bit of cash, I don't know why I just spent it on this. I literally could have just got a regular juice on the way back for 20 baht, and I just spent 50 on some fucking smoothie that might taste like stevia. That's why I needed the vape. I'm about to go walk to the dispensary too because I told myself I wasn't gonna re-up until tomorrow. But this is too much. I'm absolutely obsessed with all of these city views. I love all the traffic. I love seeing all the cars. It very much gives me, I live in Bangkok, okay? And just as much exploring and going out I do, is just as much work gets done. It's the little co-working area that's at the little condo complex. Super freaking cute. This was definitely a good place to stay when I first got there. It gave me like a sense of home. And then I got this dragon fruit stuff, which I didn't even end up eating. I'm really weary about the fruit, so I got it, but I didn't eat it. Only thing about being in an Airbnb is that there's nobody to clean up for you, and I love me a good housekeeper. So we are switching to a serviced apartment. I'm checking in today, and of course, I gotta go explore that area. Because who's gonna move to a new place and not explore the airport? And you know, I'm going to the dispensary. I've seen a market, so you know I had to stop. Fried chicken, looking bomb, but I really wanted to go to dinner tonight, so I held off on the fried chicken. Dinner was so bomb though. Y'all about to see it. So up until this point, I have been eating a lot of rice, which is really good. But I was really in the mood for some whole fried fish. So I found this restaurant. I think it was probably like 20 minutes away or so. But it looked a bomb. It looked like the little ambiance was cute. So I was like, let me go over here and get this fish. So the fish that they had on their menu was garlic fried whole fish. Bomb. So I got there while they're cooking, you know, do a little photo shoot real quick, because why not? All the greenery and everything, it looks super cute. So I'll let you just check out my photo shoot pics while my food is getting ready. Okay, so as y'all know, we gonna say our grace and we We're gonna dive right in. I was super excited because it was a lot bigger than I had anticipated. It's completely covered in garlic, which of course is life to me. So I dug right in. It was so hot, so that's why I'm touching it like this. But it was so bomb. I loved every minute of it. So I hope y'all want to watch me eat. A lot of the times when I find places, I do go to a lot of the local places around me, but if I see something that's a really bomb, I would definitely drive 20, 30, 40 minutes for it. So that's how I ended up at this random place on the other side of town, but I'm so glad I did because this was so bomb. Stay tuned for the end because I put how much this total meal cost, which was a complete steal. I love it here. And something to note, when you go to restaurants, they will add tax and tip / gratuity / service charge into your check, so you don't have to worry about it. The service charge is normally like 10%, which is of course less than what we normally tip in the United States. So make sure you look out for that on your receipts. If it doesn't say service charge, and that means you should be tipping. Oh my gosh, look how meaty it is. And of course I filled it with extra garlic. Oh my gosh, so freaking bomb. This meal was so affordable. I got a water and the fish, and that was my total. Y'all know I love a good deal, you know. All right, so y'all know after that we going to bed. I'm full and tired, but I had to show y'all this view because it's giving life. All right, see you tomorrow for part 6. So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like 180 views.